Hey guys, are you also so fascinated by Tesla coils? I mean, they look just great with the huge coil and the turret on top of it, and the ability to make big sparks is just awesome. It would be great to have one myself, so after a bit of research I decided to try to build a solid state Tesla coil or SSTC. In a small video series I want to show you how I realized this project. In this particular video I'm making the secondary coil, the turret and also parts of the housing for the electronics. The parts needed for this video is a plastic pipe, some 0.22mm magnet wire, 2 wooden discs, some epoxy and a flexible aluminum pipe. The first step of making the secondary coil was cutting the plastic pipe into length. Then I made some holes with a hot pin into one end of the pipe to secure afterwards the magnet wire before starting to wind the coil. The winding process was less time consuming than I thought, and after around 30 minutes I finished the coil by fixing the wire as before with some holes. To prevent the windings of mechanical damage, displacement and overlapping each other, I coated the coil with a layer of epoxy, and this was the result. While the epoxy was curing, I made the turret by bending the aluminum pipe into a ring shape. To fix the turret on the secondary, I used a scrap piece from the PE pipe and glued all together with hot glue. In one wooden disc I glued a screw and fixed it inside the coil with epoxy glue. As housing for the main electronics I used an old PC power supply housing, on which I could mount the coil with the screw. Making the primary coil was just a simple task of making 7 windings of thick copper wire over a slightly bigger pipe as the secondary and fixing it with hot glue. The primary was then slid over the secondary, and for now I didn't attach it any further. And that's it for this part. If you like this video, like it, and if you know some improvements for my following videos, let me know in the comments. Also feel free to subscribe to not miss the next parts. Bye!